simple cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today is all about chocolate. I'm going to show you a very delicious and easy way of making chocolate fudge. The one that I'm going to show you is from dark chocolate and walnuts. Very simple and very delicious. So if this is what you're looking for, please stick around and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious chocolate fudge. Thank you so much for joining me today. And here's our dark chocolate fudge. As you saw, it was very easy to make, and I'm sure it is very, very delicious. So let me try a piece and see how it is. I made a cup of black tea to go with this. A cup of tea or a cup of coffee would be perfect with this chocolate fudge, or just by itself. Why not, right? So let's try this. Absolutely delicious. It is very soft, and at the same time it is a little chewy and a little crunchy from that walnut that I put in there. Tastes really, really good. You should try it and see it for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and please make sure to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.